TOEIC Test, Listening, Part 3. In this video, you will hear 10 short conversations, each with 3 multiple-choice questions. The questions and answers are printed, but you will hear the audio track only once.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Riyadh Corporations. How may I assist you today?
Hi. My name is John Simmons. I'm calling regarding the shipment I ordered last week. Can you provide me with an update on its status, please?
Of course. May I have your order number?
It's number 9677180.
Thank you. Let me check the status of your shipment right away. I apologize for the inconvenience, but it seems there's been a slight delay with the delivery. The shipment was expected to arrive yesterday, but it's now scheduled to be delivered tomorrow.
Oh. That's disappointing. Is there any way to expedite the delivery process?
I understand your concern. Let me get in touch with our shipping department and see if they can arrange for a faster delivery option.
That would be great. I appreciate your assistance.
Not a problem at all. I'll get back to you as soon as I have more information about your delivery.
Thanks.
Question 1. Where does the conversation take place? Question 2. What does the receptionist ask the caller for? Question 3. What will the receptionist do next? Good afternoon, IT support. How can I assist you?
Hi, this is Jane from the marketing department. My computer crashed, and I lost some important files. Can you help me recover them?
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you backed up your files recently?
No, I haven't done it in a while.
Not to worry, I'll do my best to recover the lost data. Can you tell me when the computer crashed and what you were doing at the time?
It happened about an hour ago while I was editing a video for a client presentation.
Alright, I'll start the recovery process right away. It might take some time though. Please be patient.
Thank you so much for your help. I really need those files back.
Question 1. Where does Jane work? Question 2. What happened to Jane's computer? Question 3. What did the employee ask Jane about? Good morning, team. I'd like to discuss the upcoming project. As you know, the deadline's approaching, and we need to ensure everything's on track. John, how's the research coming along?
I've made good progress so far. The data collection's complete, and I'm in the process of analyzing the findings.
That's great to hear. Sarah, how about the marketing strategy? Have you finalized it?
Yes, the marketing strategy's ready, and I'm working on the budget allocation for the campaign.
Excellent. And Mike, are the technical aspects of the project on schedule?
Well, the development team is on track, and we're already testing the prototypes.
Fantastic. It seems we're making good progress. Let's continue to work hard to meet the deadline successfully.
Question 1. Who's leading the meeting? Question 2. What is John working on? Question 3. What is Sarah finalizing? Hi. I purchased this laptop from your store yesterday and I'm experiencing some issues with it.
Apologies for the inconvenience. Tell me more about the problems you're facing.
The laptop frequently freezes and the battery life seems to be much shorter than what was advertised.
I'm sorry to hear that. We'll do our best to resolve the issue. Did you install any new software or updates recently?
No. I haven't installed anything.
Okay, let's try a system update to see if it resolves the freezing problem. As for the battery, I'll check it for any defects.
Thanks. Let's hope it can be fixed quickly.
Question 1. What is the customer experiencing issues with? Question 2. What problem is the laptop facing? Question 3. What will the store assistant do first to address the issue?
Good morning. I'd like to return this dress. I bought it here last week.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me the reason for the return?
It doesn't fit me well, and the color's different from what I saw online.
Sorry about that. Show me the receipt, and I'll process the return for you.
Here's the receipt.
Thanks. Let me check our return policy. Okay, according to our policy, you can either get a full refund or exchange it for a different item.
I'd like to exchange it, please.
Of course. Have a look and let me know when you found something else you like.
Question 1. What is the customer returning? Question 2. Why does the customer want to return the item? Question 3. What are the options for the customer according to the return policy?
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Plaza Hotel. How may I assist you?
Hi, I have a reservation for a single room under the name Johnson.
Let me check that for you. Yes, Mr. Johnson, we have a reservation for you. Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. You're all set? Your room is on the 5th floor, and breakfast is included in your stay. Here's your key card.
Thank you. What time does breakfast start tomorrow?
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. Enjoy your stay with us.
Question 1. Where does the conversation take place? Question 2. What does the receptionist ask the guest for? Question 3. What is included in the guest's stay?
Hey, did you receive the email from HR about the upcoming training session?
Yes. I think it's scheduled for next Monday.
That's right. It'll be held in the conference room on the 2nd floor.
What time does it start?
It starts at 9 o'clock in the morning and will run till 1 p.m.
I hope it's informative and not too long.
I think it'll be great for the team to get to know each other.
Question 1. What are the employees talking about? Question 2. Where will the training session be held? Question 3. What time will the training session start and end?
Good afternoon. Dr. Smith's office. How can I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Of course. May I know your name and your availability for the appointment?
My name is Craig Johnson, and I'm available next Tuesday or Wednesday.
Let me check the schedule. How about Tuesday at 10 a.m.?
Perfect. That works for me, thanks.
You're welcome, sir. We'll see you next Tuesday morning at 10.
Question 1. What is the person's role who answers the phone? Question 2. Who does the caller want to schedule an appointment with? Question 3. When is the appointment scheduled for?
Excuse me, I ordered the steak but I received the chicken instead.
I apologize for the mistake. Let me fix that for you right away.
Thank you. Also, the salad I ordered seems to be missing some ingredients.
I'm really sorry about that too. Let me bring you a fresh salad with all the right toppings.
I appreciate that. Thanks.
Question 1. What is the customer's complaint? Question 2. How does the waiter respond to the customer's complaint? Question 3. How does the customer feel about the waiter's response?
Have you seen the blueprints for the new office building?
Yes, they're in the site office. Check them out for wall dimensions.
Okay, I'll do that. We need to follow the plans precisely to avoid delays.
Agreed. Let's stay in touch with the team and check on steel beam delivery.
Question 1. What are the workers discussing? Question 2. Where are the blueprints located? Question 3. Why is it important for the workers to communicate?